happens, you can record the whatever you are delivering. Fine. So last thing is testing is anyone can be a tester. So as an established process, software testing is as a career also needs testing for various purposes, such as to understand various phases of software testing life cycle, not development life cycle, recent techniques to design test cases, various tools and how to work on them. This is the reason that various testing courses for certified testers are being run. Okay. Quality assurance, QA, QT, varieties of fields are available. So meanwhile, it is my recommendation that you people can join the testing course. Fine. Up to this, testing is we have discussed a lot about testing, but tester must know different things. What are the different things? Like tester must know the designing also. Tester must know the different phases of software development life cycle, because based on this, he or she maybe understand the concept of designing software, and based on this, uh, like the tester can be one can say architecture designer. Okay, architecture designer is actually different profile, but he can look with that eye also, and based on that eye, he or she can give the correct testing, almost correct testing. Okay, 100% correctness is not surety. Now there are software testing goals. So we have already discussed these are the long-term and short-term goals. Fine. Like short-term or immediate goal shows bug discovery. What is bug discovery? These goals are immediate result after performing testing. These goals may be set in the individual phases of software development lifecycle. Fine. Like bug discovery is a testing to find errors at any stage of software development, any stage. Okay, it may be at design level also. More the bugs discovered at an early stage, better will be the success rate of software testing. Then bug prevention. Okay, bug prevention and bug discovery. Initially we need to discover the bug, and then bug prevention is, it is the consequence of bug discovery. From the behavior and interpretation of bug discovered, everyone in the software development team gets to learn how to code safely such that the bugs discovered should not be repeated in later stages or future projects. Because error cannot be prevented to zero. Fine. So they can be minimized, but that can it cannot be prevented to zero. It cannot be maintained at zero level. So in this particular sense, bug prevention is a superior goal of testing. Then next is long-term goal. So long-term goal is quality. What kind of quality we are actually? Reliability, quality, customer satisfaction, and risk management. These are the long-term goal. And in any field, not only in software testing, in any field like startups and all other fields, if our goal is reliability, quality, customer satisfaction, and risk management, then we will definitely secure our position. Okay. So first thing is quality. Since software is also a product, its quality is primary from the user point of view. Uh, Thorough testing ensures superior quality. Therefore, the first goal of understanding the performance of testing process is to enhance the quality of the software product. So it is very important, and the quality depends on various factors like correctness, integrity, efficiency, reliability. Actually, reliability is the major factor to achieve quality. I had already told you yesterday. So that software should be passed through a rigorous reliability analysis to attend high quality standards. And reliability is a matter of confidence that software will not fail. Fine means it will work for all the input and it will give desired errors, whatever errors it wants to show. And the level of confidence increases with the rigorous testing. So the confidence and reliability in turn increase the quality. Fine. So number of software testing test cases increases reliability, and reliability will increase the quality. Now, so where it is, yes, this is software testing. Okay, so software testing increases the reliability, and reliability ultimately provides great quality, great sense of quality. Then depending on quality, customer satisfaction will be there. So we have already discussed. Now come to risk factors. So risk management is also very important. Risk is the probability that the undesirable or unforeseen events will occur in a system. Okay, undesirable means uh, it must not happen in this software, and we have not imagined. Unforeseen means this type of thing can be happen. So all these things will occur in a system. These undesirable events will prevent the organization from successfully implementing its business initiatives. So risk is basically concerned with the business perspective of an organization. Risk must be controlled to manage them with ease. Software testing may act as a control, okay? And it can help in eliminating or minimizing the risk. So managers depends on software testing to assist them in controlling their business goals. The purpose of software testing is as a control to provide information to management so that they can better react to risk situation. Like testing may indicate that the software being developed cannot be delivered on time, or there is a probability that high priority bugs will not be resolved by any specific reason or a specified time. So with this advanced information, decision can be made to minimize risk situation. So therefore, it is the tester's responsibility to evaluate business risks such as cost, time, resources, and critical features of the system being developed. So these are the things: cost, time, resources, and critical features. Fine. Yes.
Sir, sir, what do you mean by sir time is a risk factor?
What I mean by risk factors.
No, no, no. What does time mean by sir in risk factor? Sir means sir cost is okay, resources, features is okay, sir. But what do you mean by sir time in risk factor? Like what comes in like time?
I want to develop one software for tea vendor. Okay, tea vendor has asked me to develop a software because I want to open my shop in Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is a festival which is the first day of Navratri. Okay, so this is very auspicious day of our culture. So on that day, but he has asked the developer to develop the software during Holi. Okay, from Holi to this festival, there are 15 days. So within 15 days, I need to develop that software and I need to test that software. So within 15 days, how many test cases I will run? Okay, so this is the time. So time is very, very important. So I had given a tester 5 days time. Okay, but at least 9 days, within 9 days, this software must be developed or not. If it is not developed, or if I'm not planning from beginning of the testing phase, then beginning of the software development lifecycle phase, then it will definitely there is means uh, we lag the deadline. And if we lag the deadline, it means ultimately the our customer will breach the bond between us. Okay, he or she can cancel the development product, and he can ask the initial amount. So this is very important thing. So within a stipulated time, we need to complete all these things. So testing is very important, and because testers are, even in software industry, testers are the last entity. So if we are not placing them in front end, or if we are not placing them from beginning of the process, then there will be lot of problem associated with this. So ultimately, time consumption is there. That's why time is biggest risk factor. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So, psychology for software testing. Software testing is directly related to human psychology. That is very important factor. Okay. Though software testing has not been properly defined till now, it is frequently defined as there are different persons and different definitions. Okay, testing is a process of demonstrating that there are no errors. Fine. So this is one of the definition. The purpose of testing is to show that the software performs its intended function correctly. This definition is correct, but partially. Okay. If testing is performed keeping this goal in mind, that testing is a process of demonstrating that there are no error, then we cannot achieve the desired goal. Actually, error free is not our ultimate goal. Our ultimate goal is error free, look and feel, all must be up to the mark. Okay. So Mayers first identifies this approach of testing the software in 1978 or 9. I think yesterday we have seen this. Fine. Then next thing is we should not feel guilty for our errors. This psychology factor brings the concept that we should concentrate on discovering and preventing the errors. If we are not guilty, we are not feeling guilty about this, then this is a very important thing. Fine. And not to feel guilty about them. Therefore, testing cannot be a joyous process unless you cast out your guilt. Fine. Because tester is not ultimate responsible for that. So testing is a process of executing a program with the intent of finding errors, mayors. A successful test is one that uncovers an as yet undiscovered errors. Yes, it is also very important thing. Then testing can show the presence of bugs, but never their absence. Testing is concurrent life cycle process of engineering. Concurrent means it is uh, parallel with SDLC. Fine. Using and maintaining test wares. Test artifacts are there in order to measure and improve the quality of the software being tested. Then software testing is a process that detects important bug with the objective of having better quality software. So this is the model of software testing. System is there, developer is there. This is the software, tester is also there. Software is provided to test methodology, and tester is also testing the thing. Testing is done, result is expected result or unexpected result, feedback is given. If a expected result, test case is pass. Okay. Nature of bugs and psychology of testing. So all these things are correlated events. So this is a very important thing. Model of software testing. There are varieties of definitions. So Software and software model and bug model testing methodology and testing. There are three different things. Fine. Software and software model. Software is built after analyzing the system in environment. It is complex entity which deals with environment, logic programmer, psychology, etc. So how to deal with software and so this is effective software testing versus exhaustive software testing. So fine. Here, domain of testing is given in this figure and subtest of subset testing subsets are given that today we are testing about these modules and later on. So the testing process should be understood as a domain of possible test. Okay, there are subset of these possible tests, but the domain of possible tests become infinite as we cannot test every possible combination. I had already told you if there are 30 different input, then there may be possibility if we are considering only two input, okay, two different input for per entity, then it is approximately equals to 2 to the power 30 different test cases. Fine. Or maybe exactly equals to this. So this combination of possible test is infinite in the sense that processing resources and time are not sufficient for performing all these test cases. Computer speed and time constraint limit because we people are manually involved there. Okay, although test means load runner or bin runner is performing automated testing, but how many tests we can perform at the same time? Fine. Complete testing requires the organization to invest a long time, which is not cost effective. If we involve a long time because we are not developing any scientific machinery. We are developing a product for customer. Okay, these all are commercial product. If we, I'm going to develop the T vendors software and it take 5 to 6 years to develop because I had involved 5 years for testing. Okay, only 3 months are there for developing the software, and 5 years and 9 months are there for test cases. So this is not very good thing. Okay. So therefore, testing must be performed on selected subset that can be performed within the constant resources, and this selected group of subset, but not the whole domain of testing, makes effective software testing. Effective testing can be enhanced if subsets are selected based on factors which are required in particular environment. Fine. So this is very important thing that how this domain of testing is means it is and range is actually domain is given and range is very infinite with respect to time. Effective software testing versus exhaustive software testing. The domain of possible input to the software is too large to test. So valid input, invalid input, edited input, race conditions all are given here. Fine. So how do you, what is valid input? Okay, it seems that we can test every valid input on the software, but it is not like that. So just look at very simple example of adding two-digit number. Their ranges from -99 to 99, total 199, including 0. So the total number of test case combination will be 199 multiplied by 199. Are you getting my point? Is this understandable to all of you?
Sir, एक को
Yes,
मैं
sir.
वापस
Yes, sir.
See, there are two numbers, A and B. Fine. There are two numbers and the range of number is -99 to 0 to 99. So this is total. How many numbers are there? 198 plus 1, 199 numbers are there. Okay. So how many combinations it is possible to test?
2 to
Like
the
I am
power
writing 0. No, it is not coming in 2 to the power. It is decimal number. Okay. It is decimal number. So there are means if two numbers are there, then 199 multiplied by 199. 199 multiplied by 199 different number for A, 199 different number for B. Okay, what is the result? How many different cases are there? So if we multiply both the number, it will give me approximately 40,000. Okay. Let us calculate. 3,609.01 or 3,906.01. I think 6. This is the correct answer. So these many test cases are there for only these means if it is like in previous laboratory you have seen some of the we have tested addition of two numbers. Yes or no? Even or odd number problem. Do you remember anybody is having any idea about this? In
Sir,
last
can you
week's level,
repeat, please?
what I want to repeat, how many? See, if I want to add two numbers and the range of number is, this is our domain, A plus B is our domain, and range is, if the numbers are from minus 99 to plus 99, then what will be the possibilities? What are the different test cases?
Sir, minus 99 and 99 are included.
Yes, inclusive.
So then 199 into 199. Simple.
Yes. So that's why I had written this, na? This type of problem will be developed here. So I'm showing very means single example. I'm not showing. This is for zero only. Okay. If one number is zero, if one number is zero, then zero is added with zero. Then zero can be added with one. Then zero can be added with two. Zero can be added with three. Up to zero can be added with. Yes, it is not like that. I had not included all the test cases. It must be started with minus. Okay. So let me start with minus 99, then minus 98, then so many numbers are there. Okay. Three dot, I had put three dot here, and then it will start from 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. So this 0 is combined with all 199 number. Fine. Then 1 is combined with 199 number, 2 is combined with 199. From minus 99, even minus 99 is combined with 199. So that's why these many sets of test cases will be generated. So we are not going for all the test cases, we are going for selected. So is it clear to you?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? So further, if we increase the range from 2 digit to 4 digit, then the number will be, if we increase 2 digit to 4 digit, okay, then what will be the number? What will be the case if I had increased the number from like this is 99, so now 9999, and this is also 9999. Now, are you able to imagine what will be the number? 90,999. This is the number. Am I correct? And the multiplication of this number will, I am not able to multiply this here. I can multiply it from Google. So this is 3,996,001. test cases. So how do we provide these many test cases? Okay, this is very big number. And if we further increase size of integer, so what is the size of integer? What is the range of integer? And then if we multiply that, then there are a lot of test cases. We cannot simulate all the test cases. We cannot validate all the test cases. So better to perform for selected type of valid inputs. Okay, these all are showing valid input, but we are not going to test all the valid input because we are having ranges, and on the basis of ranges we will calculate different test cases. Getting my point? Then invalid input, testing the software with valid input is only the part of input subdomain. Okay, like A, B, C, D, whatever we are testing. So there is another part, invalid input, which must be tested for testing the software effectively. The important thing is in this case is behavior of the program. So like I need to insert date. So I think this is sufficient for today, but let me conclude. This is my date, 31st Feb 2021. So is it possible? This is invalid input. So we are testing for such kind of invalid input. Okay. Then edited input. So invalid input, example of invalid input are this date is one thing, number out of range, combination of alphabet and digit, combination of all alphabet, combination of control character, combination of any other key on the keyboard. Okay, then edited input, we can edit input at the time of providing input to the program. And race condition, so I will discuss these two things tomorrow. Fine. So any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Fine.
No,
So, okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Take care.